The Google I/O 2026 conference, the search engine unveiled Wear OS 7, the latest version of its smart watch operating system based on Android 17. The update introduced several new features like widgets, live updates, and Gemini intelligence. They claim it can deliver 10% extra battery life compared to Wear OS 6. It introduces widgets, which Google says are designed to be flexible and dynamic. They are available in 2:1 and 2:2 layout, similar to widgets offered on their phone. The update brings live updates to smartwatches, allowing users to show real-time information at a glance. Google's operating system media controls in Wear OS 7 too. The new version adds per-app media auto-launch controls and seamless audio routing through the remote output switcher. It gets a new Wear workout tracker that includes a standardized workout tracking experience, along with support for Wear OS watch format version 5. They're bringing Gemini intelligence to select watches. It introduces a new app function API that allows developers to connect app with AI assistants such as Gemini. They confirm the task automations coming to Wear OS 7. Users will be able to use voice commands to complete actions such as placing an order on DoorDash. Developers can test Google's new smartwatch software via Wear OS 7 Canary emulator. Wear OS 7 will be released later this year.